Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to change wallpaper chat on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Telegram has added custom wallpaper or background feature to individual chats. Now you can apply an image or color combination as wallpaper on per chat basis, so you can finally have different wallpaper for different conversation. Be it colors or an image you like, you can customize different chat with different wallpaper instead of sticking with the same wallpaper for every chat. So how to do it? So simple. This video will show you. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can choose the contact that you want to change the wallpaper chat. I will choose this one for the example. You can see. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on change wallpaper. Here you can change the wallpaper theme. You can also choose from your photo. You can tap on choose wallpaper from gallery. And you can choose the photo that you want to use for the wallpaper, which is this. You can manage the dimming if you want to make the image blurred or if you want to make it motion. Tap on apply for me. So here's your new wallpaper on this room chat. And if you want to change wallpaper for all contacts, you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. Tap on chat settings. Here on color theme, you can change the wallpaper here. Here, change chat wallpaper. You can see there's so much theme wallpaper chat that you can use. You can also custom from gallery, photo from your gallery here. I will show you. We'll choose this. Set background. You can go back and here's your new wallpaper. And the contact that you just changed the wallpaper, it doesn't affect to this contact because we change it personal. So you can custom your individual room chat with your contact. So that is how to change wallpaper chat on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.